Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ACER Nitro 5 15.6 gaming laptop with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650Ti graphics card. This particular laptop comes in the obsidian black variant. We will take a look at it. There's not much information on the box itself, so let's just open it and see what's inside. Let me tell you, there's another box inside, so that needs to be opened as well. So here we go. This is the ACER Nitro 5 15.6 inch gaming laptop. You can see the Nitro 5 logo and the ACER logo as well, and you can also see the spectacular graphic illustration on top of the box representing this is some gaming inspired design. You can see some mechas fighting each other. Let's just open this box and take a look at the laptop itself. This is a quick guide, and this is a setup guide for the Nitro 5. There you go. You can see the two documents. I'm going to leave them on one side and go back to the box. So yeah, there you are. This is the charger. This is a 135 watt charger. I'll get you a closer look. 135 watt charger. And let's bring the laptop out. Here we are. This is the laptop. It's wrapped in a cloth bag, and there's some thermocol protection as well. So this is what the ACER Nitro 5 15.6 inch gaming laptop looks like. This is the obsidian black variant. A lot of features on the outside. Let's take a quick look. See the obvious gaming inspired design. There's a red and black color scheme going on. This is where the power cable goes in, the power cable for the charger. Okay, on this side there are some ports here, and you can tell that there is this is of course a vent. Then there is a LAN port, two USB-A ports and a 3.5mm port, along with an extra vent here and an extra port here as well. On the other side we have, there you can see an HDMI port, an USB-A jack, an USB-A port, an USB-C port, along with the vent over here and here. So that's great. This is the underside. There are 4 rubber stops over here, so to prevent this particular laptop from slipping. It's very compact and sturdy. Let's take a look inside. Okay, this is what it looks like. These are obviously comes with RGB lights. Let's switch it on. See what this looks like. Okay, there it is. It's on now. You can see the RGB lights. Cycle 1. To change the cycles, you have to log into the system and change it from the RGB profiles on the system itself. You notice the thin bezel. The bezel is really thin on this particular display. This is a 15.6 inch IPS display with thin bezel and supports full HD. We have Intel Core i5 GeForce GTX. This particular laptop comes with GeForce GTX 1650Ti graphics card. Available 2 slots, one HDD and one SSD, which is great. This particular laptop comes with 1 TB of HDD space and 256 GB of SSD space, which is incredible. ACER Nitro Sense School Boost, HDMI port, inverse gaming audio. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ACER Nitro 5 15.6 inch gaming laptop with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650Ti graphics card. Thank you for watching.